Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today's quick tip I'm going to demonstrate how to create your own stamps if you only have dies and not this coordinating stamps. So the other day I got this stamp set, Twinkling Lights from Stampin' Up from the clearance section, and they didn't have the coordinating stamps to go with it. So I'm going to turn one of the smaller stars into a stamp, and this would be perfect for background stamping. So a couple things that you're going to need is your dies, of course, some crafters foam, some ink to demonstrate, your clear block, some adhesive tape, some cardstock, and your die cutting machine. And I also have a chamois to show you that you could also clean this too as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take my star, add it on my foam, and then I am going to run that through my die cutting machine. So I'm not sure about the size of this foam, but it's not that thick. This also would be great if you have sentiments that's only in the die form. You could transfer them and create stamps too as well. You know, sometimes you have those large sentiments, the one words so it says merry or happy or sending. You could make those into stamps and see how they work for you. So I dare you to go ahead and try this. So what we're going to do next is take our adhesive strip and add some to our clear block and adhere our new created stamp to it. We're going to go ahead and ink that up and put it to the test and see how it works. So I'm going to make sure I have a nice coat of that green ink, and then we're going to stamp that out and see how it comes out. That's pretty good, right? So I did some background stamping with some gold embossing powder with this same stamp. That came out pretty good. Before you clean your stamp, I would recommend stamping off as much as you can. And then after you clean it, you want to stamp off. Make sure there's no residual on your stamp. Okay, once my stamp is clean, I'm going to try it in a different color ink. So once I inked it up in the red, it had no green transferred into that. If you guys got creative value from today's video, go ahead and smash that like button down below. That will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on my next video.